It's my latest model. It's a 3D printed Ford truck. It's pretty simple, much fewer parts. It doesn't have the engine, anything like that. This is a different brand. This one was on eBay. It does come with a pretty decent interior. The windows had to do myself. I just had to cut them out with acetate there. This is my previous model here at a Dodge, my first attempt. I made a camper for it and completely botched it. Not my best work, so stick with that. Just major components, you know, the body, the bed, the axles, the interior, got to go together. That's about it. So there you go, 3D printed truck.